So, welcome back to Invicta, Sachin.
Thank you, sir.
Heartiest congratulations on your success at the SSB.
Thanks a lot, sir. Thank you.
So, how does it feel after getting recommended?
Sir, it's a mixed feeling, sir.
Okay.
थोड़ा इमोशनल भी था मैं उस वक्त.
Okay.
थोड़ा ये मतलब बहुत खुश था.
Okay.
Because after these 4 attempts, I get the taste how it feels getting recommended. तो मैं सर बहुत खुश था, बहुत ज़्यादा.
Okay. Sachin, you had made 3 attempts previously.
Yes, sir.
Right. So, what is your self-assessment about the previous 3 attempts?
Sir, like on the very first attempt, I didn't took anything. I just followed internet and those materials.
Okay.
I went to the SSB and I was just like Karan Sergil of Lakshya movie. एक written, एक SSB, एक medical. Fast में हो ही जाऊँगा.
मतलब एक formula type.
Simple.
Okay.
But sir, when I went there and saw those environment, it completely changed my thought. मैं समझ गया कि this is not as what I thought.
As simple as it seems.
As simple as it seems.
Okay.
तो sir, but I understood in those 5 days कि हाँ आना यहीं पे है. I get it clear into my head कि जो भी हो जाना तो यहीं है. But कुछ barriers थे. Like sir, in the first attempt, my interview went in Hindi complete.
Okay.
And because of those language barriers, it affected my performance. It lowered down my confidence also, which is why my performance was not up to the mark. I was not able to give my best there.
Okay, the communication barrier affected your
there.
performance.
Yes,
it affected your confidence as well. Okay,
yes,
please continue.
And then sir, I went for TS, but I got screened out. Again, I went for TS, I got screened out.
Okay.
And this was my last attempt for the NDA. Of the last 2 written exam, I was not able to clear it. But this time, I was very clear inside my head कि जो भी हो जाए, I have to give my 100% in my efforts, irrespective of the result. ताकि बाद में पछतावा ना हो कि भाई अपना बेस्ट नहीं दे पाए.
Okay.
I don't have to feel that guilt later on. So I just put it my 100% into the written, and I cleared it this time.
Okay.
And then sir, I was preparing for SSB also, and a week later, just a week later, I had my semester exams. I got a call from my father. उन्होंने कहा कैसी चल रही है तैयारी. मैंने भी बोला कि हाँ चल रही है, ठीक है, हो जाएगा. But deep inside he know कि मेरे दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है, तैयारी कैसे चल रही है.
After all, he is your father. He knows his son deeply. I mean, he knows you inside out.
Definitely, sir. So he suggested me कि take a guidance somewhere so that you can assess yourself कि कितना हो गया है, कितना बाकी है. मैं बोला ठीक है, देखते हैं. तो suddenly at that time I calculated everything and took the decision and came here Jaipur.
Okay.
And on the very next day, on the Monday, 2nd of December, I still remember that day. कि when I went inside the class, I felt a positive vibe.
You came to Invicta on 1st of December.
Yes, sir.
Right? And that would have transformed you.
On the very next day, sir, when I entered the first class, I get the positive vibe कि और अंदर से कॉन्फिडेंस अचानक बढ़ गया. आई डोंट नो व्हाई, बट इट एनहांस्ड माय परफॉर्मेंस. और ऐसा लगा कि अब आ गए हैं, अब देखा जाएगा क्या होगा. एंड एज द डेज वेंट ऑन, माय कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल वाज गोइंग डाउन बिकॉज आई वाज गेटिंग द असेसमेंट फ्रॉम ऑल द 3 असेसर्स, वेयर जो मुझे लग रहा था पहले कि कुछ बाकी रह रही है मेरी प्रिपरेशन में,
क्या गलती
कर रहा हूँ मैं, वो यहाँ पे डेली दिखता जा रहा था मुझे, जो मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस गिरा रहा था. बट एट द सेम टाइम आई वाज कि कर तो लूंगा मैं, करना मुझे मैं ही करूंगा. एंड आई वाज इम्प्रूविंग इट बिट्स एंड पीसेस ऑन द डेली बेसिस.
Once you come to know of your weaknesses,
yes,
thereafter you can eradicate them.
Definitely, sir.
Okay.
I get to know from all 3 assessors, like as you have suggested me to how to improve my communication skill, how to modulate my voice, and how to behave in a group and how to present my ideas in a group. It affected and it helped me a lot, sir.
Okay.
And as Colonel Rocky sir has suggested me कि तू पास्ट में बहुत जीता है, थोड़ा ओपन अप हो.
Okay.
थोड़ा एक्सपोज कर अपने आप को, थोड़ा आसपास जो दिख रहा है उसे ऑब्जर्व करो. तो सर मैं डेली बेसिस पे करता जा रहा था. एंड आई फील दैट चेंज इनसाइड मी. एंड एज ऋषि सर हैज सजेस्टेड मी, those 2 exercises, deep listening and navel breathing, are the tools that helped me a lot.
Okay.
जो मेरे साथ पुराने अचीवमेंट थे या जो मैंने हार्डवर्क करा था और मेरी फोकस, इनको बढ़ाने में बहुत हेल्प मिला सर फ्रॉम दिस 2 exercises. एंड ऑन द डेली बेसिस जैसे जैसे दिन जा रहा था मैं समझ रहा था कि आई वाज इम्प्रूविंग.
Okay.
And then
that would have helped you to recall also
Yes,
whatever you learned.
Definitely, sir. It helped me a lot on the concentration also. It increased my concentration कि एक जगह बैठ के ज़्यादा देर तक मैं कुछ भी कर सकता था.
Okay, okay. So Sachin, after getting recommended, a plethora of feelings would have engulfed you, right?
Definitely, sir.
And then you would have sought blessings from your parents. You would have communicated to your friends about your success, and would have probably celebrated in some way.
Yes, sir.
So would you like to share your celebration with us?
Definitely, sir. Like, sir, after getting recommended, when I called home, तो मैंने जब मम्मी को बताया कि हो गया, तो मम्मी समझ गई कि हाँ हो गया है, अब आगे का काम है. तो मम्मी शी इज़ लाइक बिट इमोशनल, थोड़ा रो रही थी, खुश भी थी. इट वाज, कहते हैं ना, खुशी के आंसू थे. व्हेन आई टॉक विथ माय फादर, फादर इज द क्रिएचर हु डजंट शो हिज लव. अंदर बहुत है पर दिखा नहीं पाते.
All fathers are like that. You know?
सेम सर, सेम, एवरीवन इज सेम.
Yes.
बट मैं समझ गया कि वो अंदर से बहुत खुश है, बहुत ज्यादा खुश है. एंड आई वाज आल्सो हैप्पी एंड आई कॉल्ड रॉकी सर. ही वाज आल्सो वेरी हैप्पी कि भाई तूने कर दिया. बोला सर कर दिया. एंड एट द सेम टाइम ही सेड मी एडवाइस कि हो गया है, बी हैप्पी बट डोंट गेट ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट. दिस इज जस्ट अ बिगिनिंग. मैं बोला सर दिस इज जस्ट अ बिगिनिंग, बट नाउ द स्काई इज द ओनली लिमिट. नाउ आई हैव टू मूव मच अहेड. अब तो आगे बढ़ना ही है, अब तो देखेंगे.
So based on your experience of your journey of coming here, going for the SSB,
Yes.
you're getting recommended. What would be your advice to the viewers and to the students at Invicta as well?
Sir, as a piece of advice from my experience is get into the process, start enjoying the process, irrespective of the result. When we are into the process, because journey is much more important than the destination.
Okay.
When we are inside the journey, हमारे अंदर जो change आता है, that is much more important and much more उसकी प्रायोरिटी ज्यादा होती है rather than हमें सक्सेस मिलेगा या नहीं.
You mean to say the endeavor is more important than the result?
Definitely,
The
sir.
taste of success lies in your efforts.
Definitely, sir.
Okay.
कहते हैं ना सर, वो फसल या सक्सेस की मिठाई का मिठास उसे आता है जो मेहनत से गिरकर उठकर तब वहां पहुंचता है. जब वो वहां पहुंचता है तब उसे समझ आता है कि स्काई कितना सुंदर है, आसमान कितना सुंदर है.
Beautifully put across, Sachin. So from Team Invicta, we will once again congratulate you.
Thank you, sir.
Heartiest congratulations.
Thanks a
We
lot, sir.
all wish you all the very best for your future endeavors and a bright future ahead.
Thank you, sir.
Right?
Thanks a lot, sir.
Our blessings are with you.